Hey guys, you're watching the EJ Tech Show. I'm Soham, and today I've got something rather interesting for you in the studio. This is a suitcase, but don't worry, I'm not planning to travel in the middle of a pandemic. This here has been sent over from the good folks over at Realme. So let's get this unboxed, see what's inside. But before we begin, if you do enjoy our videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Editor G channel for more tech reviews. So this is possibly one of my favorite unboxings that I need to first begin by opening up this suitcase. After a quick look at the Mastery Beyond Speed branding, I can unlock the suitcase and lay it open, which reveals two boxes. The first box with the small Realme logo holds all kinds of merchandise, including this strap, a few magnets, and a whole bunch of funky stickers. Anyway, I'm going to put that aside and move on to the real thing, the Realme GT Master Edition's box. All the main specifications are mentioned on the back, which include a Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, 65-watt Super Dart charging, and more. Let's get everything out of the way and get our first look at the device. After opening the box, the first thing we're greeted by is the slogan, "Exploring the Aesthetics of Technology." Lift that out and you get the phone itself, which I'm going to set aside for now while I explore everything else in the box. Below the card that holds the phone, there's first the silicone phone cover, which looks quite a bit like the phone itself. It has a suitcase-like rugged pattern on the back that's seen on the phone as well, which I'll show you in just a minute. Underneath the cover is that 65-watt charging adapter and a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. There's also a SIM ejector tool, but there's no earphones included in the box. Before I forget, the first card we saw when opening the box holds some basic paperwork. Now that all the formalities are done with, let's unwrap the phone. Immediately, you can see that this finish on the rear is different from everything else we've seen on smartphones until now. There's a textured, almost vegan leather kind of material on the back, which gets that same rugged suitcase-like design that we saw on the phone cover. Both the finish and the design look quite unique, and personally, I really like how this device looks and feels in the hand. At first glance, the phone is quite slim and lightweight, and the frame seems to be made of metal. On the bottom, there's a headphone jack, which is always good to see on a smartphone in this day and age. Now let's quickly boot up the phone and get a hands-on look at the UI. Everything seems quick and snappy thanks to that 120Hz refresh rate and the powerful Snapdragon 778G chipset, but how the phone performs under testing is something that will be revealed in our full review. We'll also test out that triple rear camera system and the hole punch selfie on the Realme GT Master Edition, so if you are considering buying this phone, then don't forget to subscribe to the Editor G channel so you don't miss our upcoming full review.